everybody. Thanks for tuning back in. We are just arriving at a dairy farm here, and we're going to be setting some walls today. So I think we're doing 2 loads to this farm, and it is a Friday, so it'll be a nice end of the week doing 2 loads, and then we reload for Monday. Got a nice dairy farm here to deliver to. I don't think there's very many loads coming here. I think they're just doing one path, one row of walls to extend the silage bunkers. So.
You guys are dusting this poor guy out here in this house. Dusting this whole place out. Did he have a radio in there? Yeah, he was just being snobby.
Looks like we might get a little bit of rain Monday again.
Did come around the end and all the way up, you'll see the pad, drive past it to your right and then back into me. Easy peasy. You guys make everything way too hard.
First load pulling on in there. Nice sunrise in the background. So I guess he's gonna pull up there and then back in, so I will just swing her. Looks like there's a big dip there. I'm not sure if he's going to be able to swing that. Because there's a big dip there where he wants to back in. We might have to back around a dirt pile. Jerry back in here, and then we're gonna pull up into there, get ready to back in. I'm gonna stay to my right because there's a big, kind of a big hole there.
Yeah, we should have just backed in from the other side there where I was. It wouldn't have sunk like that. But yeah, it's still soft there in the beginning, and you might want to just put your mud flaps up.
Alright, while he's getting unloaded, I'm going to take most of the straps off and leave some of them on to back in, but I can at least take most of them off. You know, leave a strap on each wall just to back in there, so that should work out. Beautiful this morning. It's gonna be warm too. Getting the walls off of that truck, and then we got another one that pulled in back there, so he'll be backing in after me. That's a nice flat top right there. It's a nice truck. Nice and fast unloading like usual. Let's go get another load. You can see the manure spreaders down there in the distance. Farmer said they're going to be hauling manure all day, so he said it's going to be a cloud of dust around here. So they're going to be in and out of the driveway along with us. Cows chilling this morning. I always appreciate clean cows. That might sound lame and weird to some people, but if you grew up on a dairy farm, you appreciate when you see clean cows. People take pride in what they do, you know? Now this time we're gonna take it easy out through here so we don't cause too much dust. Cows, what's going on, guys? Oh, they were just fed. Oh yeah, they're enjoying some breakfast there. Buenos dias. They milk about 300 cows here, so not real big. It always amazed me how so many dairy farms are so tight, like to get in and out of. I always found that kind of funny, kind of silly, because like there's trucks in and out all the time, you know what I mean? And it's so tight in these places. Yeah, that's okay. Figure it out one way or another. No, that one's not that bad, but it's just, you know, I always just found it interesting how so many of these dairy farms are so tight to get in and out of. And you have milk trucks and feed trucks and everybody else in and out of there. Like my mom, she used to get so annoyed when the milkman hit the grass, right? And the problem was he couldn't hardly swing in there without hitting the grass. So I just always thought that was funny. Make your driveways wider. Take your skid loader out there and just add 5 feet, you know what I'm saying? It's all good.
Hey, look at that bad.
Good morning.
Yeah, it's a good morning.
It is. You gonna run the crane now or you going back for more?
No, on the crane.
It gets nice. Everybody comes out. You know what I mean? Like, look at that. Yesterday, we were hauling to Waynesboro, and there was 3 different accidents, road closures on you know, main roads. 581 was closed, like a 5-car pileup. 283 was closed, and then later there was an accident on 222. It's just like, man, everybody's back out, you know, which is fine, but just how can there be all these car pileups on a 80-degree sunny dry day? Like, come on, people. I know accidents happen, but just be better. don't put other people at risk. Don't drive like a, you know, moron, and just enjoy the nice weather. East Kenworth. So the job, the farm where we're delivering to is not that far away. It's only about an hour and 15 minutes, something like that. It's just west of York, like near Abbottstown. So it's not a real far drive. We're going to do 2 loads, and then we got to go load up curbs, precast parking curbs. And right now I'm pulling one of their trailers, so we're going to drop that one and hook to my trailer, which is already loaded. So we're just going to swap trailers, strap the load, and head right back out and back to the dairy farm. Gets a little tight here at this turn. Jerry with his second load. So their trailers are actually 45-foot trailers, 45-foot spread axles, so a few feet shorter than mine. But I really like pulling these trailers. The Mack aluminum trailers are a really nice trailer, and I will say it does pull nicer than mine. I will say that. You know, it's a newer trailer. I mean, the Fontaine is an 05, so this is these trailers are newer, and they are definitely nice to pull. Right, dropping this trailer. Is right up around the corner here. There she is. Loaded up with more 12-foot walls. Got 4 of them on there. That's about 50,000 pounds, I think. They show you the sling a strap up over, especially a high one. I like that. Some people have asked me, why do you put the half twist in the strap on these loads? Well, when you have high loads with all that airspace, and you don't put half a twist in or something like that, your strap will just be there flapping madly in the wind, and it can actually tear them that way. And if you give them a half a twist, they don't flap at all. It's loaded up, everything's strapped down. This latch has been giving me a hard time, so I need to get that replaced. You gotta like really yank it open. Gotta blow the boots off, you know? No use dragging all that dust in the truck. Come on. Alright, he's coming back. He's staying hooked to his equipment trailer, step deck. And he's He's gonna get himself the final load, I believe. Let's roll out. Another buggy. Wait on. I gotta get my clutch fixed, or the throwout bearing on the clutch. I can feel it's going bad. I can feel it in the clutch, and we got a little bit of vibration under my feet, so seems like it's the bearing. Gotta get that fixed. Maybe these buggies will go left, that way we can keep moving, huh? It's alright, I guess we're not in a hurry. Biggest thing is the horses that aren't trained on the road, or you know, that are scared of the trucks and tractors. Like that's yeah, I'm always afraid of that happening, because I've had a couple of times where you know, I had to get out, stop, get out and lead the horse past. I've had buggies going into a ditch or up in a field because they're shying from the truck. So driving past them, you know, you just try to take it easy, I guess. See, now look at this guy here. He's way out past the white line, and if a truck comes in here, he ain't gonna be able to make the turn. Like, just whatever, just go, man. That's so uncalled for. First few times you go through it, it feels like you're gonna die, because it just looks like you're gonna, I don't know, go into oncoming traffic, and strange. trying to avoid them, but you know. windows so we don't get all kinds of dust in here. I better get moving. I got a big manure spreader behind me. These other bunker walls you see here, they're all new. We were in here twice last year, so he thought he had enough of space and then decided he wanted to add an extra row. Setting some walls, so I'll get unstrapped the wall and they're gonna have to put the other attachment on with the chains. Pull up in the field here and back down there again. Outside. See, here's what I use to wipe my hands, just because your hands get dirty when you're unloading, even if you wear gloves, or your arms, especially when it's warm, you get all sweaty. Use like a tubbo towel, it's called, you know, like a soapy towel, and just rub it around. See, some dirt on there. Take a shop towel and wipe that off. Woo! It's warm. Alright, let's get it rolling again. Go load some curbs for Monday. I might be taking running the day cab next week because I can't keep running this thing with that bad throwout bearing, and they can't do it right away. They can't do it for a week, so but it's on the schedule. Comes the other truck again. I like hauling for these guys. I probably said it before, but I like hauling for these guys because they're fast. It's like, you know, you don't have a whole lot of messing around, not a lot of downtime, not a lot of waiting time. You get in, you get out. It's always a good thing. See over there, backed up to the pump, loading up with manure. Hey, we'll see you later, cows. You have a good one. Still eating. Nice farmhouse there too. It's got new, looks like it got new siding, standing seam roof and everything. A little stream running through there. Really nice dairy farm. Nice and cleaned up. I was talking to the farmer. I appreciate like I said, we've been in here before, and he is just a really friendly guy, and takes a lot of pride in what he does, and that's you know, always good to see. Definitely takes a lot of pride in farming and, you know, in his cows. Takes very good care of them. More beef jerky. This time I bought some Pony Express original hickory smoked. These guys are actually next door to where our shop used to be. So the old shop location was right beside these guys, or 2 doors down actually. But they have very good jerky, but it's really expensive, so I don't often buy it. But if you want really good jerky, check them out, Pony Express. It's good stuff. Tractor's on the highway this morning. Yeah, nice big John Deere. I don't know if you guys ever heard of Round the Clock Diner in York, but there it is. That diner made the news many, many times over COVID because they wouldn't shut down. They just stayed open, so pissed all kinds of people off. Look how close that trailer is to the truck, the reefer unit. That always amazed me on those fleet trucks. Looks like it would hit when they turn, but it doesn't. Head to Gordonville. We just got a few miles yet, and we'll load up, call it a day. Well, I might be hopping in the other truck, doing a quick, you know, equipment move. I blow my horn at this guy. That's one of my friends pulling out of the driveway there. So yeah, we're going to be loading, I think, 260 car curbs for Virginia. And then, that's a nice Kenworth. I'm always talking, I get sidetracked by either the scenery or another truck or a friend, you know, but yeah, I talked to Sam. He's on the way back from Virginia with the day cab, and he was wondering if I could do a quick move locally just from Gordonville to Mannheim, so I reckon I can do that. I got plans tonight, but I'll be back, you know, in time for that, because it is only 11:30 now. I'll be loaded up at 12:30. Yeah, we'll have plenty of time. Quarry, Alan Myers Quarry. few extra on this time. According to the weight, I'm probably going to be about 79,500 pounds. So right there close to our limit. But it's not heavy, so shouldn't be overweight on any axles. Let's get back to the shop now and park this thing for the weekend. And then head out early Monday morning because we don't want to hit any of that traffic on 495. So we'll probably head out around 3 o'clock and get the curbs unloaded and then reload lumber. It just seems like the traffic gets worse down there. Usually if you were through there by 6, you were fine. Now it seems it's 5, you know? Too many people in that area. And people don't know how to drive either. They don't know how to merge, all that stuff. Alright guys, back at the shop, got the truck parked, and Sam's not back yet with the day cab, so I'm going to wait till he gets back. I'm going to hang out for a bit, and then I'm going to take that out for, probably take me an hour and a half, 2 hours to move that piece of equipment to wrap up the week. So we're going to be done for the week then, and I'm looking forward to the weekend. So, and I'm sure you all are too. So thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, let me know what you like most about the video, what you like to see. And I hope you all have a blessed weekend. See you next time.